What if I told you you're doing all the hard work of budgeting manually while the rich do it on autopilot? They don't track every expense by hand. They don't stress over spreadsheets. They use tools, smart ones, and those tools do the discipline for them. A study by the Financial Health Network found that people who automate their savings are 80% more likely to reach their goals than those who don't. And later in this video, I'll reveal the single tool combination that's helping families save without cutting the fun, even on a tight income. Segment 1. The power of auto-tracking. Most people budget by guessing, but the wealthy, they track automatically. Tools like YNAB. You need a budget and Mint link to your accounts, categorize expenses in real time, and show you where the leaks are. Real example, a mom of 3 used YNAB and discovered she spent over $200 per month on snacks and apps. Within 60 days, she cut $600 in waste. Peter Drucker says, "What gets measured gets managed." Tip: start with Mint if you're new. Use YNAB if you're ready to go deeper and take control of every dollar. If your money had a GPS tracker, where would it show you've been wasting the most? Segment 2. Budget calendars that think ahead. Have you ever had all your bills hit at once? That's not bad luck. It's bad planning. And it's fixable. Apps like EveryDollar or Good Budget use budgeting calendars to forecast when bills are due and alert you before overdrafts happen. This turns stress into strategy. 60% of Americans have paid a late fee in the last year, often simply because they forgot. Solution: sync your budget tool with your paycheck schedule and automate reminders 5 days before due dates. What would change if you never had to panic over a forgotten bill again? Segment 3. The autopay funnel. System. Most people automate bill payments, but forget to automate bill reviews. That's how overspending gets ignored for years. Autopay funnel. 1. Funnel income into one account. 2. Set up all recurring payments. 3. Use a second account for only flexible spending like groceries, gas, fun. Get weekly alerts on both apps like Simplify and Pocket Guard. Help separate fixed versus variable spending. Real example. A dad used this funnel system and cut his overdraft fees to 0 for 18 months straight. Question of the day. What's your favorite money app or budgeting tool? And how has it helped your family? Comment below. Segment 4. Automatic savings. The game changer. Want to save without trying? You need automatic micro savings. Apps like Capital, Chime, or Digit let you save $1, $5, or roundups from purchases automatically every day. Users of micro savings apps save $2,400 per year on average without noticing. Even better? Set rules like save $5 every time I skip takeout and reward your discipline. What would happen if saving money felt like a game? Segment 5. Family budgeting dashboards. If your partner, spouse, or teens don't know the family budget, it's not a family budget. Use Honeydew for couples or Greenlight for kids and teens to involve your whole household. You can assign spending categories, alerts, savings goals, and even reward milestones. A Greenlight study found that teens who use money management apps are 3 times more likely to develop strong financial habits in adulthood. Are your autopays working for you or hiding financial drift? The mindset shift. Build the system. Once, let it work forever. The biggest mistake families make is budgeting like it's 2005. Paper planners, spreadsheets, hoping for the best. The wealthy don't rely on willpower. They rely on systems. Set it up once, let automation take over. That's how financial freedom happens quietly, in the background, while life keeps moving forward. Now that you know that smart families don't budget harder, they automate smarter. You're going to want to know that the real wealth leap happens when your income starts growing, even while you sleep with automation. If you don't know this vital part, you'll keep budgeting manually, doing unnecessary work, while others build passive income systems that do the work for them without lifting a finger. Your financial breakthrough must be on autopilot. Why are they consistently getting richer while you're still wasting time and money? The answer lies in 5 passive income streams the wealthy use in their sleep. And you can too. I'll show you how in my next video. See you in our next video.